Really? Oh, no. It's relaxing. Holy man, what are you doing? Huh? Yeah, I used to. Yeah. Matter of fact, I never run through it. I never run through it. I used to run over where, what's the name is? City Limits. I think I probably would run through it next time. I'm going to run through here, go to Hainault, run around Hainault, and then come back. It's relaxing, isn't it? No one's in your way. Nice. What are you doing there? Go get it.
What's that?
Big pile of shit. You can roll in it.
What's that? Go on,
Look, there's cars there. What the hell?
Where?
Over there. What are they doing? How did they even get in? Yeah, it probably has to be, yeah. This place is lovely, man. This place is lovely. It's relaxing. Right. What's this white stuff? Oh, that looks cool. Ooh. Whoa.
$2,556, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. 1, 2.
You're not going to count all of them.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11,
You just skipped numbers there.
Right, that should be 2,900 or something now, shouldn't it?
Yeah. You need one of them watches.
$2,605.
Well, then it's not right then, is it?
2,556. 2,505.
Yeah.
What was that?
Hmm.
2,616.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, look, it's going up.
Oh, it's going up.
18, 19, 20, 21, 2. Right.
Then it's right then.
1, 2.
Oh yeah, it does. It goes up. It works.
6.
7, 8. Alright, I'm locked off. Yeah. Yeah. Hello, what's that? Hello, what's that? Go get it.
What's that?
She's looking.
What's that? What's it? What's that? What's it?
She's just waiting to find a rabbit or something. There's usually a bunch of rabbits over here. Molly.
What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that?
Where's a stick or something, man? Need a stick. Dogs are getting restless. We should have brought a ball. That hill looks lovely. There's more, huh? Run up that hill. Oh yeah. Hello.
What's that? Oh, that leave. I've got to find something.
Should try him. You see that? Need a stick. Big stick. Oh, it's getting breezy. Oh my god. What are we doing? We're walking around that bit. I know, you probably will end up getting bit. Yeah, right. You're not going to run back. You're not going to run back. If you could run back, I'll be shocked.
How much you give me?
I'll give you 100 quid if you could run back.
What, non-stop?
Yeah, don't stop at all. Yeah?
Like that?
No, you have to go faster than that.
What then?
Fine then, yeah, cool then. I'll let you jog then. If you could jog,
Like that?
yeah, non-stop. Yeah, right. Should we try it? Yeah, right. You know you're going to be able to do that. If you could do that, you get 100 quid.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Go on,
You have to
Riley.
run all the way back round there.
Not a man for your word.
Huh?
Not a man.
Yeah, I would. I would accept that. I'd give you 100 quid for that. That'd be funny. Matter of fact, you have to jog properly. You have to get in it like. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, like that. You're not going to be able to do that. Not yet. You're going to be tired, man. We're not going back yet.
I'm warming up.
Jesus. Crazy. If you do that, you probably, if you run all the way back, you're probably going to be sick. Hello. Ah, I'm tired. That was a warm up only. What's this then? What's this? What's this? What's this? Look. Ah! She just rips it in half. think it might be too overgrown, you know. That's the thing. Why can't they just have like a whole, like like a whole pavement in there?
Where?
Yeah, like put it round it. Because then it's bloody better to walk round than probably. Oh look, she's seen something. She's seen something. She's seen. Come here. She can smell it. Look. She can smell it. Look, she try it. This dog's crazy, man. I do love this dog. It's flipping. Look, her nose senses are going wild. Where is it, Heather? Where is it? Go get it. She probably thinks there's something there, look. Oh! Oh, it's not hit her! Oh! Ooh. What, with dogs? Really? What, Molly? Molly don't usually play with other dogs.
No, with Ella.
Oh, them two playing. Yeah, Ella don't. Ella's a bit too much, though, sometimes. I don't know what she's doing. Look at her. Whoa, look, she's sprinting hard, man. What the hell? Hey! Oh, she's going to chase birds. Yeah. Look how far away she is.
Come on.
Hello!
Ella. That's done you in, isn't it?
She's tired now. You crazy dog. Yeah, probably. They're probably all underground now. Rabbits, I see rabbits. Pardon me. Oh. What are you doing? Are you looking at the ground? That's how dry it is. It's been too warm, man. Yeah. Oh, my ankle. We'll have to see if it's overgrown over there. If it's overgrown, we can't walk through that.
It'd be like this all the way round where the farm goes, wouldn't it?
Hopefully. Yeah. You want Ella to catch one? What? Have it for dinner. No. Molly stays next to you. Ella just wanders off. Look at her, man. Ella! What's that? Yeah, that's interesting, man. I thought, do you reckon they do? I don't think they would. Ooh. Really? Why? For real?
Yeah.
So he said trim it all down and then set it light to... Yeah. So then it could like restart again. Why not? Oh, pollution. Yeah.
Come on. Come on. Come on, good girl.
Ella. She's tired. Running off. Too silly. Ella. Ella. Oh my God. Blackberry season? Yeah. Oh yeah. I have that with my fruit anyway. I have that with my yogurt, I mean. Huh? Really? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, but you have to wash that surely. Bloody hell, man. Does it actually taste like... Yeah, but would it taste... Yeah. Does it like taste like what you get in the shops then, probably? It's more fresher, probably. Yeah, I don't know. It's interesting. You could probably get your fruit then. Like that. Do you reckon that's what they do in the shops? Just drag it off like this? They have to get picked like that. Yeah, but some of them are massive. Like some of them you see in the shops, they're... Yeah. There's one there as well. No. It's not even washed.
It doesn't matter, there's only a bit of water got on, isn't it?
Crazy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Blackberry. Tastes okay. It's sour, man. That's so sour. Oh my God. That's sour. No. Molly. This dog will eat anything. Blackberry pie. Yeah. Where are we walking to? We walked down that way, but it looks overgrown, man. Yeah. No, because you could walk. I doubt it. Yeah, you can make a lot of stuff with blackberries. Hmm? Whoa, look at that! That's disgusting, isn't it, man? How much just... Yeah. What bit? Crazy. So overgrown. Ah, stinging nettle just went in my ankle or something. I think like a stinging nettle went in my ankle. That's what I'm saying, it's dangerous. So overgrown. Jesus. Stinging nettle. Whoopsie. Gee. Should dodge that one. Ooh. Oh, nearly broke my ankle up. Whee. Oh. I can feel it, it's all in my shoe, man. Hello. He's there. It's so funny, man. It's funny how you just hear her zooming. It zooms through it. Molly. There's Molly, you can't even see her. You got it all in your fur now, man. Crazy. Yeah. Looks like it's going.
Well, I'll swing you across the lake.
Yeah, right. You're going to drop me in there.
Oh, well.
You would.
Go on.
Get out of it, man.
Go on, get it sitting there then.
No.
Go on.
My bum can't even go in there.
Put your head in. Go in head first.
Yeah, right. Should I?
Yeah, go on.
I can't get in there. Wait. Ah! I can't. Oh! Ah! I'm swinging. Wait. Oh! This is hurting my stomach, man. This is dizzy. Ah! You go in there.
Okay.
Come on, let's see you get in there. Come on, it'll be funny. Go in there, just a little bit. No, don't go in the stomach first. It hurts. Legs up. Legs. It hurts, see? Hello.
Oh, God.
Told you, I can't even fit my arse in that. I wish Alfie was there.
Oh.
Let's put Molly in it. Molly. Let's see. Shit.
Sit down, Molly, sit down.
No. That's funny. Oh. Needs to be bigger. They dump everything in this place, man. People just dump everything in there. Yeah, I know. All over there. What's that, like an hour?
Huh?
What's that, like a couple hours? Hour and a bit? Hello. She's here. Yeah. Hello. Hello. There you are. Ah. That's fun.
Good girl. Give her a week or so, you'll come out with that plastic shot, won't you?
Get all the berries.
Yeah.
Yeah. Probably actually is worth doing.
Yeah.
Than paying for them in Lidl or something.
Cash them just right, one of the ones around
Happy Valley a bit on. Probably be able to sell them. Imagine that. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see them. Not fun, my flipping dog. Wait. Hello! This dog always runs off, man. You go and piss? I didn't even know he's What are you doing? Hello! She has to walk through this way.
Ella, come on.
It's this way she has to get through now.
Ella, come on.
Mm.
Ella.
Hello! Oh, she does this at the end.
She's right, she come down there. Ella.
Hello! Bet you she goes through there. I can't hear her. Hello! 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 What a good ending. Lose a flipping
Ella,
dog.
come on. Ella.
Could hear her, wait.
Ella.
Hello!
Come on.
Why does she do this? Leave food.
Ella, come on.
Hello!
Hello.
Oh my god.